Welcome back to Bad Attitude C10. Week 4 of our Fast Trucks Matter contest brings us admission from Russell over at Outfit's Garage in his 75 C10 pickup. The truck had been rotting away for the last 32 years in a junkyard before Russell got his hands on it. After tackling the brake system on the truck, Russell installed a 402 cubic inch big block Chevrolet and a 350 turbo transmission. He then assembled a Ford 9-inch rear end with 31 spline axles, a spool, and 389 rear end gears. The truck was originally called Outfit Blues, but is now called Smoke Show. Let's see it in action. If you do not already subscribe to Outfit's Garage, please go check them out and see what you think about what Russell has going on. As always, please like and subscribe.